Hi all, this is Ranjit. Today I'm going to explain the extrude operation available in Creo. In order to do that, you must click on this new button here, icon, and then don't forget to untick this use default template because the default units will be in your drawing. So in order to, I don't know, and actually my drawing in inches or foots, so I must uncheck this text checkbox, otherwise it will lead into the default unit system. So next one, I need to give a name, so I'm going to give it as extrude. Then if normally the default selection will be the part one. If it is something assembly or manufacturing, you must change this into part, then press OK. So this is my unit system, mmns part solid absolute, that is millimeter newton second. It's okay. Then press OK. So you'll be provided with the three planes: right plane, top plane, front plane. And either you can create a sketch here and you can go for extrude, but I will show you a faster method. You can directly click on this extrude, then automatically it will ask you for the sketch plane where your sketch must be placed. For example, this case I'm going to select this plane. Then you can use the sketch view option to make it align to your view. Then I'm going to create a sketch. Imagine if you are doing extrude, you need a sketch where you are adding material perpendicular to that sketch plane. So I'm going to add a rectangle here, and I'm going to change the dimension to 100 into 50. Okay, this is my rectangle. Then press OK. So my extrude is over. If I'm okay with the extrusion length, or you can change the extrusion length, so this case I'm going to change this into 50. Then you can also change its direction, whether you want an extrusion in this direction or this direction, that can be controlled. And suppose you want a surface model, you can also create it as a surface model. Then you can also control the depth of extrusion. You can also thicken the sketch. For example, it's not a surface model, but there will be thickness. What is the difference between a surface model and this type? This is actually a solid model with a thickness, but if you click on surface, there is no thickness. If you take the front view, for example, this case, if I take the front view, you can see that there is no thickness assigned to the section. It's actually used for surface modeling, and in analysis, plane stress or plane strain type conditions, we can use the surface models. Once you are satisfied with these settings, then you can press OK, and now your extrude is there. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, because I'm going to release lot of videos related to CAD modeling and engineering analysis. And also press the bell button, because whenever I release a new video, you will get instantly. And also press the like button, because your likes and comments actually encourages me to do more videos. Thank you.